come from?
I come from Finland.
Oh, I see. What does Santa Claus do?
I bring gifts to all well-behaved children on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day.
What does well-behaved children mean?
It means good and nice children. Good and nice children will get a gift from me.
Oh, I see. How do people in Finland celebrate Christmas?
Oh, Finnish clean their houses ready for Christmas.
Finnish clean their houses before Christmas, just like Chinese clean their homes before Chinese New Year. Christmas must be a very important festival in Finland.
Yes, you're right. Besides cleaning their houses, Finnish also buy Christmas trees before Christmas.
I want to buy a Christmas tree too. What do Finnish eat at Christmas?
Finnish eat rice porridge and warm fruit for breakfast. They also love to eat legs of hogs and turkey.
I know that Finnish also eat baked rice pudding for dessert.
Yes, you're right.
What else do Finnish do at Christmas?
Finnish stay at home with their family on Christmas Day, and they like to go skiing on Boxing Day.
Thanks a lot, Santa Claus. We know a lot about you and Christmas in Finland.
No problem. See you around. Bye.
Let's ask them some questions, see if they remember the answer. Sure. Question 1. Who is he?
He is Santa Claus.
Good job. Question 2. Where does Santa Claus come from? A. New York. B. Hong Kong. C. Finland. D. Thailand.
Finland.
Yes, you're right. Question 3. What does well-behaved children mean? A. Naughty children. B. Good children. C. Crazy children. D. Bad children.
B.
Good job. What do people call people in Finland? A. Finnish. B. Finnish. C. Finlander. D. Fin. Good job. What does Santa Claus do? A. Bring gifts to children. B. Bring sweets to children. C. everyone. We want to give you all a surprise. Let's give a big hand to Santa Claus.